So here we are at the Seat of Sound, and I'm Daniel Goode, the composer, and this is Robert Cooke, the sculptor. And we made this for the Grounds of Sculpture. It's part of their permanent collection. And it's an interactive music sculpture.
The wood that is the mounting system is set up as an invitation. We have a kind of open arm, really to allow people to enter into it. And the boards are intended to be like a sounding board of a piano that the notes are mounted on. To the right is brass notes, brass and bronze that Daniel arranged, and to the left is aluminum. And in the middle is the seat, which I'm going to sit on, and that's why we call it the Seat of Sound. And it splits down the middle.